Order number 11, the Statute Law Miscellaneous Amendments, number 2 Bill, National Assembly Bill number 68 of 2023. Second reading, resumption of debate.
Leader, Majority Leader.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I beg to move that the Statute Law Miscellaneous Amendment number 2 Bill 2023, National Assembly Bill number 68 of 2023 be read for the second time. The bill is introduced in keeping with the practice of making various amendments, which
very well. This is a resumption of debate, and this particular matter had been already moved by the leader, and what I'm not sure is who was on the floor then, so it's just resumption of the debate. Was there anyone who was on the floor? There was no balance of time, and therefore possibly we shall give you whip to speak on this, because you are not also spoken on it. Proceed.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Sorry, I must have missed when the Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah moved this. But be that as it may, Honorable Speaker, to simply highlight on the miscellaneous bill, and I'll single out a few things, Honorable Speaker, that are very integral to this particular miscellaneous bill, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, there is a proposal in the Traffic Act, and this to be very particular, the Traffic Act Cap 403, that proposes to amend the Traffic Act to incorporate the use of technology in the management of minor traffic offenses. Honorable Speaker, we all live in this country and know the challenges that we face as far as minor traffic offenses is concerned. At times, Honorable Speaker, you have all been stopped by traffic cops of very minor offenses like overspeeding or something, that you've exceeded 5 kilometers per hour or something. And then the traffic officer picks your license, then tells you to park beside the road. You remain there, or rather you are left there for about 2 or 3 or even up to 1 hour or something. And then they tell you, we then produce you in court in another or something in the afternoon. The court is not even sitting. You end up wasting the entire day. We lose revenue as a country, and you get affected. You get affected as an individual. So, Honorable Speaker, such an amendment will really come a long way in integrating that system, helping manage those very minor offenses, that you will be fined. If we get to the level where you can actually be fined on such minor offenses instantly, that you do not need to struggle, you do not need to waste a lot of time, so that you can actually be able to be, you can be left to have some time to go out there and also raise further revenue, not just for yourself, but also for the country. Honorable Speaker, the bill also proposes, there is the University Act Bill 2012 amendment that proposes to amend the Universities Act 2012 to provide for the declaration of technical universities under Section 25(1) of the Act in respect of public institutions that are or are national polytechnics. It also proposes, Honorable Speaker, to amend Section 56(1) to provide the placement board and shall be responsible for placing all the students. This, Honorable Speaker, will help, have a central system of placement of the students. Much of the stress that comes along with the placement of the students can be sorted with the placement board, Honorable Speaker. And that is what the committee, of course, recommended, that Section 25 should only apply to public national polytechnics. And then Section 56(1), there is a need to separate funding and placement of students, so that there is that distinct role, one on funding and the other one on placement. I thank you, Honorable Speaker. Thank you very much.
Very well. The Honorable, I can see Gadoni wa Muchomba, but you had not been, your name was not appearing here. But please speak on this.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'm indeed very excited to contribute to the discussions in the afternoon of this House, noting that, Mr. Speaker, I've been here since 2:30 and I've not gotten an opportunity to speak, but I'm glad that you have found it important for me to add my voice on the...
Honorable Gadoni, for record purposes, I'm usually very keen. Your card is having a challenge, so as you speak on this after finishing,